Hi, so this is a quick tutorial about WordArt. WordArt is a great program for doing word clouds, and you can see some examples flashing on the screen here. I would just click Create Now, and you'll notice that there's already some words here, word cloud and art. You can remove those pretty quickly. Just click on the word and remove. You don't want those if you don't want those words in your cloud. Any words that you put in your cloud, you can either copy and paste from a source, or you can just type them in right here. So if you want to copy and paste, you would import and then paste them in here. And then, but since I don't, I will just type them. So if I wanted to do a thing about dogs, I could put dog, hairy, 4 legs, loyal, kind, friend, shaggy. Okay. I could keep going, but I don't want to. So anyway, I would go down here to shapes, and you'll see that on the left you have lots and lots of choices for shapes. A dog is an animal, so I'll look and see if there's a dog that I like. There's a pretty good silhouette of a dog. I could choose that one, and that'd be great. And anytime you want to look at what you are creating, you can hit visualize, and it comes up, and there's my hairy dog right now. If I want to change the font, I go down to fonts, and I just choose one that I think might look cool. Maybe that. And then layout, maybe I want just random. And then style, you can play around with different colors. The shape, what do I want? I don't know. Custom, I can do all kinds of different colors. So you can just mess around with it, do some different things. And then I want to visualize what I've got so far. That looks pretty good. I could change the font if I wanted to. Maybe I don't like that one too much. Maybe I want the Meltonian tattoo. I can change it, and it'll change pretty quickly here. I'm sure I could find some cooler ones, but maybe not. You can change the shape if you want to add an image. If you don't see something that you like here, you can add an image. You can get one from your computer, or you can just look and so I want dog, images. I think I want clip art. He's pretty cute. So I'm going to right click and get the image address, and I go back to my WordArt and I put it in and load. And there's my dog, and okay, and it adds it to it. And if I want to choose that one, I can visualize again because it's chosen, and it changes my image. I don't know that I really like that. I would have to mess around with it some more. But if I wanted to undo it, I can undo it, and that's really easy. So play around with it. There's lots of fun things. You can either download it, which I don't recommend on your computer or on the Chromecast. Share, you can email it to yourself, or you can link it. If you get a link, copy to clipboard, go back to Canvas, go to the assignment. Let me go to student view, start assignment. Here's the website URL. I will just put that in there and submit assignment. Okay, I'm not going to submit one because I'm not really a student, but then you just submit it and your teacher can see it. Okay, make sure it's public so that your teacher can actually see it. And just lots of fun. Thanks. Bye.